Good morning. Today is Friday, March 23rd, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Hallock. It's time to get up. All right, so the thought of the day today is life is short, smile while you still can. And I'm going to keep this one short. Basically, it's simple, right? The older you get, the more your health starts to deteriorate, the more you can't do the things that you used to be able to. I've noticed this a lot, and I'm only 36. And I got to this point. A lot of the stuff I can't do anymore was, basically because, I let my body go down the drain when I had all the diabetes issues and everything else, which I'm working on getting back to that. But it really has opened my eyes that there's a lot of things that I would like to do, but I'm not sure if I physically can. And you'll notice that over and over through time, there's some things that your body or your mind just isn't capable of doing. So the main thing I want to get to, and the reason why I chose this today, is very simple. Smile. Remember that there's nothing that can take that smile away but you. Nothing. Everything you do in life, you control how you feel about it. So make sure that you take a positive outlook on it, stay boosted, and smile when you can. And more importantly, and this will help you get those smiles coming when you feel like you can't, focus each day on making at least one person smile. If you can make someone else smile, your life will be a lot easier mentally because you'll have that self-accomplishment that you've helped someone else's day get a little bit better, even if it's just saying, I like your shoes, or you did great today, or whatever the case may be. Give some incentive, give them a reason to smile. That's all you need to do. That being said, thought of the day today wrap up is life is short, smile while you still can. Hope everyone has a productive and fantastic Friday. Once again, this has been your Wake Up Call with CJ Hallock. I am CJ Hallock with CJHallock.com. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll see you at the top. Have a good one.